A North Carolina woman was found dead at the bottom of the stairs. Was it an accident or a premeditated murder at the hands of her husband? A jury believed the latter. The husband was convicted, and he appealed, challenging the relevancy and admissibility of various evidence in State v. Peterson. On a December night in 2001, Michael Peterson called 911, claiming that his wife, Kathleen, had fallen down the stairs in their home. When the paramedics arrived, they found Kathleen lying dead at the bottom of a narrow staircase. Peterson was standing over Kathleen's body, covered in blood. According to the paramedics, there was an awful lot of blood for a supposedly accidental fall. Subsequently, an autopsy determined that Kathleen had died from blunt force trauma. It wasn't long before the state of North Carolina charged Peterson with first-degree murder. During Peterson's trial, the state presented evidence of Peterson's bisexuality, including his interest in homosexual pornography and his attempts to solicit a male escort. The state also presented evidence that the Petersons were having financial problems and that Kathleen was expected to lose her job and, with it, a valuable life insurance policy benefiting her husband. Finally, the state presented evidence regarding Elizabeth Ratliff, a former neighbor and close friend of Peterson's. Ratliff was last seen alive by Peterson and found dead at the bottom of a staircase surrounded by lots of blood 17 years before Kathleen. Meanwhile, the defense presented evidence that Kathleen's death was an accident. Peterson was ultimately convicted. On appeal to the North Carolina Court of Appeals, Peterson challenged the trial court's decision to allow the state to present evidence of his bisexuality, evidence of Peterson's financial problems and Kathleen's job situation, and evidence of Ratliff's death.